To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Coinspot, start by opening the Crypto.com app and selecting the Account option. From there, click on the Crypto Wallet option, which will display all the cryptocurrencies currently in your account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case, Bitcoin. After selecting the cryptocurrency, click on the Transfer button, followed by Withdraw in the pop-up window, and then select External Wallet. You will then be prompted to add a wallet address. So open the Coinspot app, select the Wallet option, and find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Using the search bar if needed, click on the Receive button. Select the correct network, ensuring it matches the one selected in Crypto.com, and click on the Generated Deposit Address to obtain your wallet address. Copy the wallet address and return to the Crypto.com app, pasting it into the required field, entering a wallet name, and clicking Continue. Once the wallet address is added, click on the Withdraw button next to it, and then confirm the details, including the wallet address and network type. Enter the amount you want to transfer in your local currency. Click Withdraw, and then confirm the details again. Finally, enter your password to complete the transfer, and your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Crypto.com to Coinspot.